YouTube. Somehow, I'm still on Google's radar. They emailed me and asked me if I wanted a gift. In fact, I did order it and I canceled it because I got an email saying they're gonna send it to me for free anyways. I was willing to buy it because I love the products, but I think I do deserve having the Pixel given to me after all these years of loving and promoting Google. Why not, right? Let me go into unboxing this. So I'm still trying to figure out the lighting condition in this room, but let's see what we get in here. It's like Christmas super early for me. And right now we're getting a Team Pixel. Oh, it's one of those trendy things that all the teenagers are using in school. You're getting a Fupa pack. I did not know they were gonna give me all this stuff. They only said they're gonna give me a gift. Now definitely I got the case here. Oh my god, this is exciting. And this is the Pixel 3 XL. I did not know if they were gonna send me the Pixel 3 or the Pixel XL. This is a heavy box. Contents, and then there's the Team Pixel. Exciting news for Google Pixel. Here it is, designed to make every extraordinary. And oh, this is the Pixel stand. That is cool, I get to test it. Now that we have a full glass back on the Pixel 3, now we can wireless charging. Okay, let's get this down. Whew. Now I am gonna compare it next to my Pixel 2, and here we go. A lot of people like to take this part slow. I just want to open it and whoa, this totally does feel different. I don't think the back looks ugly. It's very reminiscent to the Pixel 2. This part does feel really good to the touch. I don't know why they don't just make it the whole thing. This does feel very slippery, but it feels really nice to the touch. This is still glass, all in the back. It feels comfortable, I'm used to it. So here they are side by side. As you can see, they look almost identical. They're just more rounded edges on the new Pixel. Pretty much the same weight, maybe a little bit heavier on the Pixel 3. I'm not gonna say XL for both of these. This is a Pixel 2 and this is a Pixel 3. We know it's XL, so we don't need to establish that. They do have a slight change in the lenses. The fingerprint seems to be less recessed on the Pixel 3. We still have the same side volume rockers. The Pixel 2 had like a little run off, like it goes down into the frame. This is a lot more flatter, so it's a flat across. I don't like the curved edges like Samsung does anymore, so I do prefer that much better. So it's not entirely the same. They did upgrade a couple things in there. Does the same case work for this phone? Let me set that in there. Yes, I have the same case fitting it, but are the microphones on the same spot? Now let me see for that microphone. As you can tell, the microphone placement is not the same, so I can't use the case without that blocking that. Definitely a glossier, flashy phone. Also, the speaker grills are different. The Pixel 2 only has a USB-C port, and the Pixel 3 has the SIM slot right next to it. I'm gonna power both of these on at the same time. 1, 2, and okay, well, one turned on a lot faster than the other. You know what? I haven't even gone to the rest of the stuff that comes inside of the box because I was too excited to look at the phone. All the paperwork and the SIM card removal. And then here we have Pixel headphones. Plug in through your Type-C. I will test them on a full review. After my first impressions, we get the USB-C, a little adapter, USB-C to headphone jack adapter, and then the power brick. I'm gonna put in the SIM. The Google Pixel is always unlocked, so you can use it for any carrier. Right when I started typing, I can feel the vibration feedback. Feels so much better. I like the Pixel's feedback, but this feels like the new step next to it. While that's checking for updates and doing this thing, let's check out the case here. And here, oh, look at that. That's definitely unique. I like all these colors, so I can definitely use it. It's called a Heather Day Google Pixel 3 My Case. Now I'm gonna see how long it takes to put in your fingerprint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 fingerprint grabs. Now before the Pixel came, I already knew that I was gonna try not to look at this. I haven't been paying attention because I'm already over the fact that it's been there. So we all know about it and I can learn to ignore it. Okay, now looking at these directly, I can tell that the Pixel 3 has a more edge-to-edge screen. So the screen is way less bezel than on the Pixel 2. So we can definitely see that difference. So you are getting it wider and taller, not just growing taller. I like the fact that it's more edge-to-edge. And yes, there will be top 10 best apps of the weeks. I'm excited to bring that back. We get louder speakers. Let's hear those speakers. The speakers definitely sound a lot better on the Pixel 3. Testing that camera. Let's do the first pick. First picture from the back. Okay, as you can see, I'm feeling grungy. There it is. Nice. Again, I'll be making my full review after 30 days, so you guys can get the feel of every YouTuber who has these phones, so maybe you like my opinion better, or show something that they didn't. You can ask me questions so I can address it in the next full review. And the last thing is to put on this case. Oh, that's a tough case to put in. It does feel a little bit thicker, but that's going to add the protection because you got more bumper than my thin case. I'm so glad that I'm still considered on that tech list to receive a Pixel 3. Top 10 apps will be on this phone. You'll see all my game reviews as well. That is coming in 2019. I took this whole entire year off and I will be coming back. All you guys who've been waiting for that, stay tuned. Coming in 2019, I'm also going to change my channel name. Things are getting different, as you can see. I'm trying to make things better. Maybe I'll finally start releasing my face more like this, farther apart, or get a wide angle lens in due time, guys. I'm not even done yet. I still have to. I'm kind of all over the place, and this is a long video. Whoa, you saw that? That's a cool effect. But here we are. Let's look at this. This has protection on it too. Oh yeah, that feels nice to the touch. It has this protection on it to keep it clean longer, and that is super grippy. So you're not gonna see this sliding around on the desk when you have it. And all I have to do is get this box. You get another Pixel looking charger. So I'm just gonna kind of plug that in there, and just like that. All right, the moment of truth. Let's stick it onto it, and there we go. We're charging. Whoa! Get help from your assistant while charging. Press next. Dock it. You become wireless charging. Hey Google.
Hi, iBertz. It is 10:27 a.m. Right now in Hillsboro it's 49 and mostly sunny. Today, it'll be sunny, with a forecasted high of 74 and a low of 39. By the way, remember to buy megabucks.
Okay, there we have it. Now I can charge my phone without ever having to plug it in. Just keep it on the dock here at my house. This is all really cool. I'm super excited. Oh, I just feel so much better without using a case on. But what do you guys think? As always, leave me a comment down below. What would you like to see in the full review? And now I gotta thank Team Pixel for sending this. Can't wait to review and test apps on this. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Thank you for watching. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Later.